Very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter photosynthesis in higher plants. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the Calvin cycle. In previous class, we have discussed about the light, how the light reaction takes place during non-cyclic or cyclic photophosphorylation occur which synthesize ATP and NADPH2. So now here this is the dark reaction. In the dark reaction, it doesn't mean that the photosynthesis takes place in dark. That means there is no harvesting of light or photon used during the process, during the carbon dioxide fixation. So this is the fixation of there is fixation of carbon dioxide or through which we synthesize glucose molecule. This is the product that is synthesized during the Calvin cycle. So dark reaction is denoted by the Calvin that the glucose formation occur in a cyclic manner through which the products of light reaction utilized during the dark reaction. So it doesn't mean that the light is not important during the dark reaction. It is important process because light is also important during the process because the carbon dioxide fix only the use of by the use of ATP or NADPH2. Now, in the dark reaction, first denoted by the scientist Calvin. Calvin. So the scientist who denotes the dark reaction in which the products of dark reaction is only the glucose molecule by the use of ATP or NADPH2. Firstly, in this cycle there is the following steps which involve in the dark reaction are three. These steps are carboxylation. Second step is reduction. And the third step is regeneration. Third step is regeneration. So this is the process of where the carbon dioxide fixation occur in the following these three steps. First step involves the carboxylation, that is fixing of carbon dioxide in the mesophyll cells. In previous class we have discussed the dark reaction carried out through C3 pathway or C4 pathway. That means the fixation of carbon dioxide occur in a plant C3 and C4 plant pathway. C3 or C4 plants form the first product two different types. For example, in C3 plant, the first product is 3 carbon containing molecule phosphoglyceraldehyde, whereas in C4 plant the 3 carbon containing molecule is 4 carbon containing molecule oxaloacetic acid. That's why the plant is known as C4 plant, and the cycle through which it fixation of carbon dioxide occur, that pathway is known as C4 pathway. Now student, here so many compounds are present in the reaction because only these two steps are given in the cycle, where the group P in the cycle ribose bisphosphate require. Here is group P, which is a 5 carbon containing molecule that form the PGA, phosphoglycerol aldehyde, and the reduction of phosphoglycerol aldehyde into triose phosphate. Triose phosphate. Okay. Triose phosphate. Now, next thing is that after formation of triose phosphate, reduction is carried out. Here is reduction is carried out. Reduction is carried out. So overall, this is the actually we have not saved, so that's why all the removed. Now let us discuss about the how many are present. So in the light reaction, here is group P ribose bisphosphate that form PGA, phosphoglycerol aldehyde. Here is triose phosphate. Triose phosphate, and this is reduction. So these are the three steps where involved. So group P, here is 5 carbon containing molecule which binds with the carbon dioxide, one carbon dioxide to form 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerol aldehyde. Here is 2 molecule or 3 carbon containing molecule. This is. So overall the reaction is balanced now. And how many ATP required? Because for the conversion or reduction of 1 molecule of PGA, only 1 ATP used. There is 1 NADP H used during the process. Now in the formation for the reduction of 2 molecule of ATP, that divided into 2, multiplied by 2. So that's why the overall NADP used during a fixation of 1 carbon dioxide, that is 2 molecule of NADPH2. Here is also denoted that 1 ATP used. So only reduction of 1 ATP used during the process. So overall, how many ATPs? These are the 2 ATPs, and here is again the 2 ATP. That's why 2 ATP and 1 ATP. That's why overall 3 ATP used during the fixation of carbon dioxide. Now let us calculate the reaction or discuss in a manner. Now, during the photosynthesis, we discussed that during the process, actually now during the process that in the dark reaction, the Calvin cycle run where the ribose ribose bisphosphate under fixed carbon dioxide to form the two molecule of phosphoglyceraldehyde PGA. Phosphoglyceraldehyde. Now that again the reduction carried out which formed triose phosphate, and that the reduction takes place during the process here is reduction. So this is the process where the reduction carried out. Okay. Now as we discussed earlier that the ATP to ATP and 2NADPH plus used during the process, and here is for the reduction again the ATP use for the fixation of one molecular ATP used during the fixation of only one carbon dioxide. Now let us calculate how many ATP or NADPH required for the fixation of 6 molecule of carbon dioxide. 6 molecule of carbon dioxide. Now, because in the C6H12O6 6 carbon molecule is present, so that's why for the formation of glucose molecule there is need for the 6 carbon dioxide. Now for the fixation of during the fixation of one carbon dioxide require 3 ATP and 2 NADPH H plus. So how many ATP required for the fixation of 6 carbon dioxide? Now 3 ATP, 3 into 6 is equal to 18 ATP used for the making of one glucose molecule, and 2 into 6 is equal to 12 ATP used for the fixation of NADP, not ATP. NADP H plus H plus. 12 NADPH used for the fixation of for the fixation 6 carbon dioxide and 1 glucose molecule. Now here is overall about the C3 pathway, carbon dioxide fixation through the C3 pathway. Now student, let us discuss about the C4 pathway. Now next is the photosynthesis affected by the light reaction. Here is only the Calvin cycle is given. Now only the Calvin cycle in C3 pathway. Here is no given the. Now here the diagram is showing about the Calvin cycle, where from the carbon dioxide drawn into the Calvin cycle, or through which the carbon dioxide fixed with the help of Rubisco enzyme. Here is Rubisco enzyme. Rubisco enzyme. Now the dark reaction is also known as the light independent reaction, which is occur in the stroma of the chloroplast, whereas light dependent reaction occur in the grana of the chloroplast, which is light dependent reaction or happens in the thylakoid membrane, because thylakoid membrane have the photosynthetic pigment or light harvesting complex. That's why the light reaction happen in the thylakoid membrane. Now in the dark reaction, the Calvin cycle occur which in the stroma, or because most of the enzymes Rubisco present in the stroma region, that's why the Calvin cycle runs. Now here the diagram denotes the ATP or NADPH used by the light independent reaction or dark reaction or Calvin cycle, or ATP breaks into the ADP or NADPH converted into the NADP plus after the using by the Calvin cycle. Now these then transfer into the light dependent reaction, where they again get activated or synthesis occur or synthesized in the form of ATP or NADPH. NADPH. So this is the process of the light reaction or light independent reaction which occur in the chloroplast. Now student, here is overall about C3 pathway. Through C3 pathway, how the light reaction carried out. Now student, let us discuss about the C4 pathway. C4 pathway or H/SLAC pathway, which happen in C4 plants. C4 pathway. Also known as H and SLAC pathway. Now the plant show the Kranz type of anatomy. Kranz anatomy. What is Kranz anatomy? That is bundle shape surrounded by the mesophyll cells. Here the bundle sheet surrounded by mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cells. And also for mesophyll cells, now one thing is important, that the carbon dioxide present in the bundle sheet, Rubisco enzyme. Enzyme present in bundle sheet cell. Bundle sheet Now let us discuss about how the carrying cycle carbon dioxide fixation occur in the C4 plant or the C4 pathway. C4 pathway. Now here is mesophyll cell or which surround the bundle sheet cell. So mesophyll and bundle sheet. In the mesophyll cells there is an molecule which bind with the carbon dioxide, that is known as PAP, which is phosphoenol pyruvate. PAP, phosphoenol pyruvate. Carbon dioxide drawn in with the help of stomata into the mesophyll cell, which bind with the PAP and form oxaloacetic acid, which is PAP is phosphoenol pyruvate and oxaloacetic acid is OAA is oxaloacetic acid. PAP is equal to phosphoenol pyruvate oxaloacetic acid and bind with form bundle sheet break into the again phosphoenol pyruvate and carbon dioxide, which is fixed through undergoes in Calvin cycle. Calvin. So this is the process of carbon dioxide fixation through the C4 pathway or C4 cycle or pathway, and where the Calvin cycle also runs, but the fixation of carbon dioxide done by the phosphoenol pyruvate and convert into the 4 carbon containing molecule oxaloacetic acid, which when the oxaloacetic acid enter into the bundle sheet cell, they again differentiate into the phosphoenol pyruvate and carbon dioxide. The phosphoenol again transfer into the bundle sheet mesophyll cells, and carbon dioxide undergoes in the Calvin cycle. So this is the overall process of carbon dioxide fixation through the C4 pathway. So student, I hope you like this video and thank you for listening and watching.